Today we are going to look at how to connect ChatGPT with Canva. Now, for those of you who don't know, Canva is a graphic design tool that has taken the world by storm. It is very popular. It's literally for beginners, people who are only starting out with graphic design, and there are actually professional people that use it as well. It's really a great tool to have, especially when you have a small business, or even if you just want to design a birthday card. Whatever your skill is regarding graphic design, Canva is a great tool. Because this channel is all about figuring out AI, I thought I'd show you how to connect to Canva from ChatGPT. And of course, you can use ChatGPT for only creating word prompts in order to create something in Canva to help you with the AI in Canva. Canva has a whole suite of AI tools, but you can also start from ChatGPT's side in asking it to give you ideas of designs inside Canva. So you will type out a prompt in ChatGPT, and then it will connect you to Canva and take you into Canva, and then you can edit your design. So let's look at how we can do that. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have a Canva account. So to do that, you go over to your browser, go to canva.com, and when you land on the home page, you either log in with an existing account if you already have one, or you can create a Canva account. It's very easy. You can literally log in with your Google account, your Facebook account, or an email account. It will send you a link to that email just to confirm that it is your email, and it is literally as easy as that. So I'm going to continue with my Google account that I've already created. And just like that, you are in Canva. So now I have connected I'm on the first step of connecting ChatGPT. So let's go back to ChatGPT now. Here I am just where you land when you open ChatGPT and the prompt window. So to connect Canva now, I go to the side panel. And as you can see, I've already connected, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You go to GPTs, and then you simply search for Canva. And as you can see, there are so many GPTs that have been created. But I want to connect to the official Canva site and use the official Canva plugin. So I will just click on this one, and then you will see this little splash page, I think is what they call it. And then you can say start chat. It might ask you to connect again with your Canva account, or it can take you straight into Canva, the connection to Canva. So now you'll see ChatGPT looks familiar, but you are communicating with the Canva plugin. So now you can create or type in a prompt about anything. Yeah, some examples: highlight my favorite hiking trail in a Facebook post, make an Instagram post about a breathtaking, I'm not quite sure, let's see what it says, a breathtaking sunset. Let's use that one. What message would you like to design to convey? Is this for a personal moment, a travel blog, a brand, or something else? For example, inspiring relaxation or wanderlust, promoting a location or product, capturing a poetic mood or quote. Let's go with capturing a poetic mood or quote. Let's just see what happens if we press enter. So now you'll see it's going to talk to Canva. It's connecting, and then it will ask you to confirm to connect. You just say confirm, and then it will see it usually gives you 4 options. There it's already created a graphic, and some text. So if you hover over here, you'll see you can't really edit it in ChatGPT. So you will have to click on one of these options to edit it. You can, if you want to type in something else, to put in another quote or something like that, you can do that. Or you can go and say, I really like this style. So I would like to take this into Canva and further edit it. Or I like this style. So let's maybe go with a nice bright, clean color. So you simply click on an option, click on it, and then it will take you right into Canva. So now you are literally inside Canva and you can edit this. So you can change the font, you can change the image. For those of you that are familiar with Canva, you would know about all these, but I am going to do a follow-up video on this with a in-depth Canva tutorial, and then also to see how we can use Canva's AI, because Canva also has a whole suite of AI tools that we can use that are absolutely brilliant. So please subscribe, don't miss that video, because absolutely it will make things way easier for you in future designs. There we go. In ChatGPT, we prompted it, it gave 4 options. You click on that and it takes you right into Canva, where you then can edit this post to your liking and then use it, export it. You come up here and then you can export it in the format or the file type that you want, and then use it in your Facebook post or WhatsApp it to somebody or send it via message or email, whatever you would like to do with it. So that is how we connect Canva and ChatGPT and how you can use it. So I hope that helped, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.